Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel GK Daily Updates. So let's quickly brush up today's newspaper and then extract the GK, the general knowledge, the static information from the newspaper today. Today is 13th of August 2020. So let's get started. The very first headline of today's news is Kamala Harris to be Biden's running mate. The US presidential elections are on peak and Joe Biden's party is at the top. And it is said that if Joe Biden's won the election, then Miss Kamala Harris will become the first woman of India descent and a black woman to be the vice president of US. Although earlier she was fighting up for the presidential position, but then she dropped out the nomination in December after campaign fund of her party dried up. She is a very powerful woman. In 2004, Ms. Harris was State Attorney General of San Francisco. In 2010, Ms. Harris was California's first Attorney General. She was the first black woman to hold this position. And so this became a strong party this time. Let's quickly brush up the GK for this news. Like we know that Miss Harris was the first black woman to hold the position of Attorney General of California. Apart from this, let us quickly brush up the knowledge that who is the current Vice President of US. He is Mike Pence. He is 48th VP, the Vice President since 2017. And also let us get informed about who is the current President of US. He is Donald Trump. He is 45th President since 2017. Let us jump to the second important headline of today's news. High Court reserves order on pleas against Tri's tariff order. Now let us quickly brush up the information regarding TRI. TRI, it is basically Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, which was formed under Section 3 of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Act 1997. This was made to regulate telecom services, disputes regarding telecom industry, dispose appeal, and protect the interest of service providers as well as consumers. Currently, the chairman of TRI is Mr. Ram Sevak Sharma. Digging a little deep into this news, we came to know that Solicitor General of India is representing TRIs in this case. Now, quickly brushing up our information and the knowledge regarding who is the current Solicitor General of India. He is Mr. Tushar Mehta, and before him, the ex-SGI was Mr. Ranjit Kumar. Basically, SGI is a subordinate to the Attorney General of India. He or she is the second law officer of the country. Yesterday I told you that Attorney General of India is the first law officer of the country, and SGI as a subordinate he or she is the second law officer of the country. Now who appoints this SGI? SGI is appointed by the Appointments Committee of Cabinet, and this committee composed of Prime Minister and Minister of Home Affairs. Now, quickly, let us also remember that the Minister of Home Affairs is currently headed by the Union Minister of Home Affairs, Amit Shah. Now, coming to the third important headline of today's news. Due to COVID-19, Asia's FIFA World Cup qualifiers postponed to next year. Coming to the GK part. The first FIFA World Cup was hosted jointly by South Korea and Japan in the year 2002 in Asia. Also, this was the first tournament with multiple hosts. Like before this, there were only single hosts which were hosting this particular tournament, but the FIFA World Cup 2002 was the first tournament in which multiple hosts hosted the particular World Cup. Coming to the fourth headline, hockey camps to restart from August 19. SAI, Sports Authority of India, have decided to resume the hockey camps after 14 days of mandatory quarantines to the player in Bangalore. Now, as we heard the name of Sports Authority of India, let us quickly brush up the information regarding SAI. SAI was established in 1982 by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of Government of India. This was basically meant for development of sports of India. Currently, this has been headed by, or we can say the new Director General of SAI is Sandeep Pradhan, and he is appointed by the Sports Ministry. Currently, Kiran Rijiju is the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports in India. Coming to the next and the final headline of today's day, Mauritius on environmental emergency. About 1,000 ton oil spread across the ocean due to the leakage in Japanese ship few days ago. Many famous tourist spots are spoiled because of this. Especially the Blue Bay Marine Park reserves are under danger. Thousands of marine life is also in danger because of the leakage of oil, the grease, the sticky substance which is spread all across the banks of the Mauritius. To remove that stickiness from the banks, from the beautiful banks of Mauritius, people are donating their hairs to prevent the beauty of the place. Basically, it is said that about 1 kg of hairs can absorb about 8 liters of oil, and thus will be helpful for clearing up the banks, and that's why people are donating their hairs. Now quickly let us also know that who is the current Prime Minister of Mauritius. He is Mr. Pravind Jugnauth. And also let us know what is the capital of Mauritius, that is Port Louis. That's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and hit the bell icon for more updates. Do comment and share my YouTube channel also. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye.